This is the challenge for the week.
Hello, BeSA students, and welcome to the technical challenge of the week. In the lab number 2, you have to do all the configuration so you can have an EC2 instance with a web server that looks like this. Be aware that you have to put your name on the website, also your photo. I'm going to give you a little help. In this GitHub repository, you can have all the HTML code that you need in order to set up the website. The second task that is included in the challenge is the following. You have to do all the configuration needed so you can connect to the EC2 instance by SSH. Here I'm connected to that EC2 instance that you see a few minutes ago. Good luck with the technical challenge.